Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about different types of page layout. So stay tuned and watch till the end. The page where I'm currently in, this is called the normal layout of the page. If I go to the View tab, I can see the normal layout has been selected. So this is the normal layout. If I want to see the page break preview, I will select this option, page break preview. So it will show me the document, how it will look like when it goes to the printing. So when it will go to the printing, the page one will look like this and the page two will look like this one. So this is giving you kind of idea how it will look when it goes to the printing. If I want to go to the normal page layout, select back the normal page layout, it will take me back. Third one is the page layout, so which shows me how it will be after the printing. So when this document has been printed, then how it will look, how different or similar it will look to its previous one. So it is showing me now when it's be printed, it will be like this one. I have some data here. I have some data at the bottom. So now it's showing me the header and the footer as well. So you can change the header and footer just by clicking this one, and you can type anything here. It will appear on your footer of the document, and header like 1, 2, 3, it will show at the header of the document. So again, this is the page layout which will be this will be the page which you see after the printing. And again, there are option at the bottom here as well for the normal, for the page break preview. I just click the button normal, so it took me back to the normal layout. So this is how you can see the different options, different page layout options before printing. Hit the like button.